accounting for partnership firm. And remember, we are discussing the scenarios through which goodwill is accounted for. And this is the fourth scenario in which the new coming partner will bring cash equal to the goodwill premium, his share in the goodwill, and that will be distributed among the old partners in sacrificing or gaining ratio. And then the old partners will withdraw from their capital the amount equal to the amount distributed against that sacrificing ratio. So this is what we will see in this scenario. But always remember that new partner brings cash for goodwill premium. Okay? And then that is withdrawn by the old partners. Well, the accounting treatment is whenever the new partner will bring cash or bank account debit and the goodwill premium account credit. And when it is distributed, we are assuming that it was altogether in sacrificing ratio that we had already worked out in earlier scenario. So goodwill premium debit and A's capital and B's capital credit both are sacrificing in this. Okay? And since both were having credit in their capital accounts, now they decided to withdraw this money. So whenever money is withdrawing, again, be logical. Put all your accounting logics here. Withdrawing money, withdrawing cash out of the business, cash or bank will be credited. Okay? And when you withdraw, or simple, let's go back to our earlier accounting knowledge. When owner withdraws cash out of the business, what accounting entry we pass? Yes, owner's drawings debit. Okay? And cash credit. So instead of owner's drawing, we are debiting owner's capital. Okay? So the same thing. Agreed? And bank account is credit. So the accounting entry is not difficult, please. You don't need to learn it by heart. Just put all your attentions and focus on the concept. You will get it. Okay? So withdrawal of goodwill premium, the amount that was credited in A's and B's capital is now being withdrawn. Got it? Well, so the important tip is that amount of drawing may vary depending upon the agreement, that how much they would be drawing. And the second thing is that this drawing does not depend upon any ratio. So we'll not say that there will be some old ratio or new ratio in this accounting entry for drawing. This is drawing of money, of cash. So whatsoever they will decide, they will draw. Okay? So if it is decided that whatsoever was credited in their account in terms of the distribution of goodwill premium, that is to be withdrawn. So the same amount will be debited to their capital account and will be credited to the cash account, in fact, or the bank account. Okay? So this is the important tip in this module. Thank you.